is dancing. So they dance this to indicate that there is a possible change in the weather. So let us now see the dragonfly. Repeating the movement of the dragonfly. Yan, palakpakan naman natin si Kuya. Second dance is the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. They believe that no other animal can outsmart the monkey in terms of hunting and foraging. Younger generations of Aitas are the ones performing this, while the older ones are out in the forest hunting for food. So let us now see the monkey dance. Nasa pool po. May gagawin po siya sa pool. Alin po na dyan natin.
Ako nagulat ako.
Yan, palakpakan naman natin. The last dance is the war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani. They dance this to ask guidance from their god Apo na Malyari to guide them in their battle or somehow resolve the battle in a peaceful manner. They also believe that whoever is the best dancer is the best warrior. So that's now the war dance.
Bumaba na. Basta mga kami.
Ito yung mga gamit nila. Pana and panaso. Target color nila ngayon, yung mga naka-green. Sorry na lang sa mga naka-green.
Nakapansin.
Baka naman natin.